Module 5, Lesson 17, and today you are counting across tens when counting by ones through the number 40. Okay, so today I'm going to show you one example problem, and then you are going to do one on your own. So we are going to draw more to show the number. Okay, so here my number is 23. But I think I'm missing some because I see 2 10 frames that are full, which means I have 10, 20 dots, but I need 23. So I have another 10 frame here, so I need to draw more to show 23. So again, I have 10, 20, because we're learning to count across tens, and I know if I have a 10 frame that's full, then I have 10 in each one. So 10, 20, and then I will count up from 20 and draw until I get to 23. 21, 22, 23. All right, let's count to make sure. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. All right, that looks good. Now, I'm going to give you one that I want you to do at home and send me a picture when you're done. So, let me get the right width here. Okay. And at home, if you don't want to draw your 10 frames, that's okay. You can just draw the dots instead of putting them in a 10 frame because they're kind of hard to draw. Okay. Fill these in, and then I will tell you what our mystery number is. Okay, so our mystery number is, let's see where I have room to write it here, 34. So I want you to draw more to show the number 34. Right now, I do not see 34. I see 2 10 frames that are full, so I have 10, 20, and then I have 4 over here. So how many more do I need to draw? Notice that this 10 frame is empty. What do you think I need to do? Can you draw more to show me that there are 34? Send me a picture when you're done.